Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge.
Yeah, ay, 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 yeah, yeah, and you know what it is, your nigga Dub.L.C, yeah, haters on my left, haters on my right, during the day, during the night, they want me to break, they want me to fall, but I just turn my head and I ignore. See, all I do is brush them off, brush off, brush off, I brush them off, brush off, brush off, now brush them off, brush off, brush off, now brush them off, brush off, yeah. Now all I do is brush them off, too busy becoming a star. See, I will no longer just waste time with them, I already settled the score. They asking me where will I go, they asking me what will I do. I say don't worry, God got a plan bigger than the sun and the moon. Man, I got too many haters, they're hating on me every day. I guess it's just me and my maker. He says I am destined for greatness. They said I would never get paper, but I will get a card, limitless. My life is a movie in labor, it's like I was born in the cinemas. Give me a trophy, I'm winning this. Everybody out here feeling this. Give a memorial service. Dub.L.C been killing this. Don't pay attention to the haters. I never thought I'd really say this. I'm finally killing the game, yes, yes, yes. Haters on my left, haters on my right, during the day, during the night, they want me to break, they want me to fall, but I just turn my head and I ignore. See, all I do is brush them off, brush off, brush off, I brush them off, brush off, brush off, now brush them off, brush off, brush off, now brush them off, brush off, yeah. Everybody telling me, how much longer will it take? You gotta go get a degree, or else you never get a break. I dropped out of college, and I'm working a 9 to 5. I got a different calling, I'm keeping my music alive. And while you're pretending to be, I'm out here chasing my dreams. See, I got the reason to be, a purpose that you haven't seen. I go to sleep late at night, and wake up early in the morning. See, I gotta pick up the phone, my fame and fortune been calling. Everybody been talking about the way that I'm walking. And if the industry's a jungle, I bet ya I've been Tarzan. I'm about to brush them all off, yeah, 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 yeah. Haters on my left, haters on my right, during the day, during the night, they want me to break, they want me to fall, but I just turn my head and I ignore. See, all I do is brush them off, brush off, brush off, I brush them off, brush off, brush off, now brush them off, brush off, brush off, now brush them off, brush off, yeah, yeah. If everybody treats you right, brush them off. And if they talk behind your back, brush them off. If they just hating on your life, yeah, brush them off, brush them off, brush them off. Fake friends from the past, brush them off. Bullies in your class, brush them off. Anyone that you can think of, brush them off, brush them off. Now all I do is brush them off, brush off, brush off, I brush them off, brush off, brush off, now brush them off, brush off, brush off, now brush them off, brush off, yeah, yeah.
Yo, CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. You know it's your boy Oasis. Just had my boy Dub.L.C perform a track called Brush Off, and it was fire. So I just wanted to go in and find out, bro, Dub, same time, like, where does that influence come from for your music?
Bro, to be honest with you, I was never able to do music, bro, like really good. But I got inspired by my dad. He told me about a story where a girl couldn't sing at all, and then she went in a room and she asked God for a voice, and the next day she could sing beautifully. After that day, from about 13 years old, I was praying for that same thing over and over again. And round about at the age of 16, Dub.L.C was born.
At the age of 16, so 3 years later, after playing hard and hard, and it became the thing you wanted to become.
Yeah.
So now in that 3 years, what was the hardest thing you had to overcome as an artist?
To be honest with you, bro, I feel like at that time, I wanted to do music so badly, but there was no money to pay for producers. My mom and dad didn't have the money, the finances, and that's where Brush Off comes from, because I had to basically build my way up. I have my own studio now, and I produce my own music, bro.
That's dope, bro.
You know what I'm saying? And I just had to make sure that I did something for myself to make it, you know. And I haven't made it yet, but I'm still looking forward to that.
You're on the cover. And I can see you on the cover, bro. I've been seeing his videos. The video that you saw now, or the track he performed, he has the video out on YouTube. You definitely can check that out. Dub.L.C Brush Off. We'll have that in the description below. So, bro, like, what's your music you're pushing? It's very motivational, bro. It's still in my head right now. All I want to do is brush them off. That's all I want to do right now. So I just want to know, bro, what is your movement gonna be in Cape Town, so that we know Dub.L.C has made his mark?
I mean, for me, the main thing is inspiring everybody. What I want my movement to be is for everyone to know that they can do what they want to do in life. You know, you don't have to be scared. A lot of guys are telling me, like, you know, everybody wants to do what you're doing, but they don't have the balls to leave their job or to leave college to do what you're doing. I left college, bro. I left 2 jobs for this shit, bro. And I'm still out here doing what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying?
It's coming for you now.
I just want people to know that there is a way. You just gotta be consistent. You gotta be determined, you know.
Motivated.
So that's my movement out here, you know.
Your movement. So you just want to keep everyone motivated, making sure that you know whatever you put your mind to, you can get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Nah, I feel that. I really feel that, bro. I just want to say once again, bro, like, the track you wrote now, like, there's a lot of bars in there that I'm thinking about. It's not just for someone in the club, bro. You speak about people in school, like, haters in your class, brush them off. So it relates to everyone, bro. So I do feel you have a good thing going now, bro. I can see you making waves in Cape Town soon, and I want to like applaud you for that. Actually, applaud you, bro.
Thanks.
So I just want to know, bro, where could we find that track? Like, where can we find the track?
Alright, so I have the track on SoundCloud and on Slicker on Live.
Alright.
But I also have a music video out on YouTube and Facebook.
Which they know about, because I'm not gonna forget about this.
YouTube and Facebook. So you can search it. On Facebook you can search me, Dub.L.C. You pronounce it Dub.C, but you spell it Dub.L.C. Don't get the dots. And on YouTube, Dub.L.C music. So Dub.C music, and yeah, that's how you can find me and the track.
The track, nice, dope, bro. Now at least you know where to find him. Go search that song if you want it. Best believe it's gonna be dope. I just want to say thank you for putting through, bro. Dub.L.C, it's a pleasure having you on the set. It was fire, it was super fire. Yeah. And then once again, everyone that's been watching, you know, we only bring you A-grade shit, high class. The people we have on here, high class, they dope, they're like the next great things in Cape Town. I just want to say thank you to everyone that's watching, you know, and if you didn't subscribe to the page yet, please do so, like right now. And if you didn't, I can see you not doing it, do it now. And then I want to say thank you to our sponsors again, our sponsor, the library, you know, coming through with the apparel that they always give us. Dope ass apparel coming through if you want to get it. Then I want to say thank you to Cuts on Q for the venue. And then I want to give it back to my boys that make me look good. Cameraworld and dsfootage, always doing their best to do what they need to do. Thank you all, and we out.